it's Lourdes Alden. I'll be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by MADDY PEREZ from the 8th episode of Euphoria, and let's right get into it. I'll be priming my eyes and my face with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Going by section using little. While that waits for 30 seconds, I put on my Lana Lip Treatment lip gloss and primed my eyes with the Too Faced Glitter Glue Primer for the eyeshadow. For the Morphe Icy Fantasy 35 eye palette, I used the shade Arctic Abyss, a matte storm gray, as my outline for the eye look, and also as my transition shade. For the Morphe 35K Coffee eyeshadow palette, I used the shade Black as my outermost and lower lash line of my eye look. I eventually went over the gray outline of my eye look and then blending everything out up until I maintain a sharp round line. I touched up on some Too Faced glitter glue. For the inner eyelid to the center, I used a silver eyeshadow and then blend everything out with a brush, using patting motions to prevent some fallout. Selecting a shimmery champagne for the inner corner of my eyes. And on top of that, I used the shade Brilliant, a white glitter, the shade Frostbite over the silver eyeshadow to add some sparkle. For eyeliner, I used the Silver Beauty Hydro Liner in the shade Grease to prepare for false lashes and to make my eye look more intense. I used a duo lash glue for the rhinestones and for my false lashes. I got the rhinestones from Amazon and I'll be using the number 3. In the photos, the makeup artist used a more tiny rhinestone. I just used where I can reach and maintain for my eye shape. Repeating the same steps so it's even on both eyes. For false lashes, I'll be using the Ardell Naked Lashes in the style 421. I'm taking a break from my Demi Wispies Ardell lashes that comes in a 5-pack, and I need to wash them. For concealer, I'm using the Elegant Pro Coverage Concealer in the shade Natural. For contour, I use the shade Espresso for my nose, forehead, and cheekbones, and jawline. Making sure that I blend everything out, that there is no streaks, and I forgot to put on the rest of my face makeup on film. If I filmed it, I probably lost it, so here is the following items I've used for the rest of my makeup tutorial. And that's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye!